Hey guys, how's it going? Today we will be installing a brand new PCV valve on the Lexus Is350 today. So stay tuned for that. For today's install for the PCV valve, you will be needing a 3/8 ratchet. I use both of these extensions. So if you have a longer one, that'll probably do. But I just connected these two and it was just fine. You also need a 19mm Crowsfoot wrench and some pliers. Alright guys, so the first thing you guys are going to want to do is pop your hood. Alright guys, so once you guys got that popped open, you're going to want to go over here and open it right up. Guys, now if you guys want to follow me down over here, your PCV valve should be right there. It's that right there. So you want to get some pliers, take that clamp off, pull it up, and then try to get that hose off right there. Alright guys, so the hose is off of the PCV. I just put the hose over there, down there to the side, just so it won't be in the way. Sorry I couldn't record that guys. It's kind of hard holding a camera, flashlight, and two at the same time. Alright guys, to try to make this a little easier, I'm going to try to remove this bracket right here. So there's two of these 10s down there. There you go. Just remove those two 10s and then grab a clip puller and remove this to get it out of the way. Alright guys, so the bracket's right there, nice and out. Now we have a lot more room to play with the PCV. As you can see, I got my Crowsfoot wrench with my extension on the PCV. And yeah, I mean it's a way better fit now that that bracket's out and you can move this hose. So now we're pretty much just gonna do like little turns until it breaks loose, until you get it off with your hand. And there you go, the PCV valve is out. Alright guys, so this is the old and this is the new. It's this one's seen better days. But yeah, I pretty much got this from eBay, but it is the Toyota, the OEM one. As you can see right here, here is the part number. I believe it was a couple bucks, I believe. I forgot, to be honest. I think it was like $9-10 or so, something like that. But it is Toyota OEM, and yeah, I would recommend going with this. Alright guys, now you're going to want to just thread your PCV valve back by hand until you can't no more. And once you can't, just grab the Crowsfoot wrench back and then just tighten it until it's snug. Also guys, if you guys took out your bracket and moved the hoses around, just put them back together how you took them off and you should be good. Alright guys, once you guys got that nice and snugged in there, you can put your hose back in and put the clamp back on it, and there you go, you should be good to go.